Guys, are you ready?
Sorry, what's the
Are you-
question?
Are you ready?
I'm ready, yeah.
Are you ready? ¿Estás lista?
This product is not intended to heal, cause or prevent any circumstance, situation or condition. Use at your own risk. Always make your own decisions. It says here that a dowsing tool is simply a readout interface or a communication device. It's being said that it is either being controlled by your subconscious or in a more scientific way by magnetic fields, as all objects have magnetic fields as a result of their elementary particles spinning.
Everyone can dowse, but like most producers, it will take practice and experience to be good at it. You can train your subconscious to use many types of tools or devices. Professional dowsers use different kinds of dowsing tools.
In this experiment, I wanted to explore the potential limits of emotional relationship between living and non-living matter. In fact, we all do it every day using our smartphone, which consists of more than 20 different materials and minerals mined in different parts of the world. Most often, I use the phone to record voice message. Sometimes I send it to myself as a self-reflection about how I feel. This is the deepest level of communication with non-living matter I've experienced so far. But when I do it with a phone, it doesn't look strange. One evening after a Matadero workshop, instead of going out to eat pizza, I went for a walk along the river and found this stone that looks just like a potato. Or did it find me? I'm not sure, but now I use it to send myself voice messages. The mechanics are the same. I hold it in front of me and talk to it about everything with my eyes closed. These messages will never be heard again, and in a way it gives me more freedom. That relief I feel in the end strongly reminds me of interacting with a real phone. Gradually, I began to decorate it as I do with a real phone. It may look silly and naive, but it also personifies it for me. This experience helped me to feel how so-called dead matter can become more than a stone, but a partner to talk to. Now that I'm recording actual voice messages with my phone, it reminds me that right now I'm talking to a stone. Same happens when I go to church or visit my grandma's grave.
Hello.